Welcome to today's guide on making group decisions fun and engaging on Telegram. Tired of endless back and forth texts? Polls are the answer. Let's dive into how to create a poll and get your Telegram group voting. Open your Telegram group chat. Look for the paperclip icon in the chat bar. That's your ticket to the polls. Tap on the paperclip icon to open a menu with various options. Find and tap on Poll. Now, the fun part begins. Crafting your poll question. Be clear and concise about the decision you want your group to make. Once you have your question, it's time to add answer choices. Telegram allows you to add up to 10 options. Want to spice it up? You can allow multiple votes, set a quiz mode, or even add an answer field for people to write in their own options. When you're satisfied with your question and answer choices, hit the send button to launch your poll into the group chat. As people vote, you'll see the results update in real time. It's a great way to gauge group sentiment and make informed decisions together. And there you have it. Now you can create engaging polls in your Telegram groups, fostering a fun and interactive way to make choices together. Ready to put your polling skills to the test? Head over to your Telegram group and create a poll now.